Welcome back, camping enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best beach chairs that you can buy today. Whether you're heading off for a beach hut holiday, checking into a holiday cottage with direct beach access, or staying at another coastal retreat, a beach chair is worth keeping in the boot of your car. Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing beach chairs. These are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there's an option for every type of camper. So if you're looking for the best beach chairs, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Lawn Chair USA. Sometimes, keeping it simple is the best way to go. Like umbrellas and bubble wrap, the lawn chair is part of a special group of inventions that barely need any updating. Lawn Chair USA understands this, and as such, have designed their flagship product, the aluminum webbed lawn chair, to be just that, a highly durable, straightforward lawn chair that not only does its job, but does its job well. The pros are: it's made from thick aluminum and webbing, which makes it highly durable. It's lightweight and very easy to set up and store. It has a classic design that ages really well. It has a good weight capacity, and it has UV-resistant nylon webbing. However, it's not as stable as other lawn chairs and tips over quite easily. It's quite pricey for a basic lawn chair with plastic armrests. Easily foldable, lightweight, and 100% American-made, the aluminum webbed lawn chair is more than just an ornamental throwback to the 50s and 60s. In fact, it might even be good enough for your next camping trip or for those picnics on particularly rugged terrain. And at number 4 is the STRONGBACK Low Gravity. This low gravity chair is what its name says, a rather low chair for the beach, camping, events, etc., and it is a folding type that needs no assembly. So its weight center is very low. The feet are 20.5 inches apart from each other, and this makes it stable, hence the words low gravity in the name. It is also ready in seconds. The most important feature mentioned already in the title is its ergonomic design with unparalleled lumbar support. Something similar you can find only in some other chairs of this same brand. They are specialized in this ergonomic design, and currently, no other brand is even close to their design. You have some padding in the lumbar zone while the upper section is with mesh, making it really comfy. The pros are: it's a more ergonomic choice, and it has a weight capacity of 300 pounds. However, there are no additional recline settings. If bad posture sneaks up on you, this chair offers great support so your back doesn't tire out as easily. It comes with built-in lumbar support, something you don't always see in beach chairs. The third product on our list is the Ostrich Deluxe chair. The Ostrich Deluxe beach chair is a lounger with features that compared and performed really well in terms of comfort. It probably won't hold the maximum listed weight capacity of 275 pounds. That's typical with so many beach gear products, unfortunately. But if you're less than 230 pounds, you shouldn't have any issues. This Ostrich beach chair combines many features to give you the ultimate relaxation while basking under the sun. The lumbar pillow supports your back adequately, and the head opening was really nice for lying face down. The Deluxe is also heavy, so you'll need to consider this for longer walks to your beach spot. But hey, the high back coverage and seating distance from the ground was reasonable compensation. The pros are: it's higher off the ground than average beach chairs. It folds down flat, so lying on your stomach is very comfortable. It's lightweight and has shoulder straps for easy carry. There's a cup holder. The top back rail can double as a towel bar, and there's an adjustable lumbar pillow included. However, it's very lightweight and will tilt in mid-strong winds. The footrest is too short for tall people, and it opens up when carried by the strap. This Ostrich beach chair is definitely not the best of the best for serial beach rats who need portability, but it offers a compelling lounge for comfort for most people. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. In at number 2 on the list is the Tommy Bahama Beach Chair. What distinguishes this aluminum and fabric chair is its insulated zippered cooler pocket, one of 2 very roomy storage containers on the back. The other is large enough to carry sunscreen, hats, books, and most anything else you want to bring to the beach. It almost makes it like an actual backpack if you use the pockets to store the things you would normally bring to the beach. Our tester enthused. My Kindle even fit in one of the pockets. The backpack straps are lightly padded and fairly comfortable. The handle on top of the chair also helps with transporting it. The chair is equipped with a locking tab to keep it open. To close the chair, you pop the locks apart first. We found it easier to adjust the seat back to its 5 reclining positions, including lying flat. We also appreciated the plastic arms. They may strike some lower quality compared with wood, but they shouldn't discolor and show wear, as wood can. The pros are: it has insulated cooler pockets. It has roomy additional storage. It has comfortable carrying straps. There are 5 reclining positions. However, the locking system is confusing. This is a quality lightweight beach chair for serial beachgoers and won't disappoint. The best beach chair is the Rio brand's 4-position face opening Sunbed. To maximize your beach day as a day of relaxation and TLC by the beach or a pool, consider this chair, which easily converts into a seat that more closely resembles a pool lounger. Our tester sat in the chair for over 2 hours at the beach and tried all its various reclining positions, including the massage-like face hole. The chair's side slits function as arm slots, so you can comfortably lie flat, even on your stomach. We especially appreciated that although its many features make this chair tip the scales at over 10 pounds, it was surprisingly easy to carry around. It also has a footrest, a cup holder, which rotates under the wide armrest when not in use, simple and sturdy side pockets for a phone or sunscreen, and an adjustable back pillow, all on a fairly wide frame. Adjustable foot or calf rests make for more comfy lounging, and an adjustable back pillow provides extra stability. The chair, which sits a comfortable 12 inches off the ground, features 5 adjustable sitting positions and 3 adjustable footrest positions, including one that combines to let you lie flat. The pros are: it has multiple positions, it has shoulder strap, and it's fairly lightweight. However, it's expensive. This is the most luxurious beach chair on the list, and you'll be the envy of everyone there when you set this bad boy up. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.